Mars is cold and dry. Venus is hot and toxic. But one of them might secretly be more habitable than the other. The real answer could change everything we thought we knew. Hello, curious explorers. Welcome back to Immersive English, where every lesson feels like an exciting adventure. Today, we're diving into a thrilling debate. If we had to pick a new home beyond Earth, would Mars or Venus be our best bet? Don't rush to shout Mars just yet. Venus might surprise you with its hidden charms. Here we have some quick facts. Mars. Imagine embarking on a journey to a rusty red wonderland, a staggering 280 million kilometers away. Mars may be just half the size of Earth, but it is a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. With its captivating ice formations and fierce dust storms, who wouldn't want to return as a proud Martian? It is an experience of a lifetime. Venus. Here temperatures soar to a scorching 460 degrees centigrade. It may sound intense, but hold on. Float just 50 kilometers above this fiery surface and you will discover a surprisingly serene atmosphere. Just watch out for those mischievous acid clouds. Who knew paradise could come with a twist? Make your choice wisely. Your epic interplanetary journey awaits. Adventure is calling. Let's begin with the comparison. And our first category is choosing our next home. Choosing between Mars and Venus as humanity's next home is like picking between a frozen desert and a burning cloud. Mars, with its rust-red surface and ancient riverbeds, feels like a barren frontier. Hostile but conquerable. Venus, wrapped in toxic clouds and crushing heat, seems impossible at first, until you learn that 50 kilometers above its surface lies a layer with Earth-like pressure and temperature, perfect for floating cities. In terms of gravity, Venus comes out ahead. Its 90% Earth-like gravity would make human adaptation easier, while Mars at just 38% could lead to long-term health issues. But when it comes to buildable land, Mars wins. You can walk on it, dig into it, and even dream of transforming it. Venus's surface, hot enough to melt lead, is strictly off-limits. Atmospherically, both are tough. Venus's thick carbon dioxide cloak causes a runaway greenhouse effect, while Mars's thin atmosphere offers little protection from radiation. So while Venus dares us to rise above the clouds, Mars challenges us to dig deep and survive. One is a fiery trap with a silver lining, the other a frozen wasteland full of possibility. So who do you think is the winner? Venus, you're right, for giving us floating cities and not dusty caves. Moving towards category 2, food, because obviously we have to survive. Mars might just be the new foodie frontier. With its hidden water, ice, the possibilities are endless. Picture greenhouse sprouting up underground, bursting with fresh vegetables. Hope you're a fan of vegan stir-fry, because meat and cheese will be rare treasures here. So pack your beefsteak and treat it like gold. It's going to be a rare delicacy. So let's talk about Venus. No water here. No worries, scientists have a wild idea. Creating water from hydrogen and oxygen. Sounds easy, right? Imagine floating green houses high above the clouds, serving up celestial salads. But hold on, when the acid rain comes pouring down, it might not be the picnic we envisioned. So, the winner is Mars, of course, with just a little more water. You're talking about a whole lot more delicious salads. Let the Martian feast begin. Category 3 is about resources. Both planets have iron, nickel, and some useful stuff. Mars also has sulfur for batteries and easier mining on solid ground. Venus? Way more solar energy thanks to being so close to the sun. Solar panels could be our power source, assuming they don't melt. So, who wins this round? It's a tie. It really depends on your priorities. Do you want to dig into the depths of Mars for mining riches or bask in the abundant sunlight of Venus? The choice is yours. Category 4 is about how to approach there. A journey to the red planet takes about 7 to 9 months, but it is well worth the wait. With multiple rovers already exploring its surface, NASA is gearing up for an exciting human mission planned for the 2030s. While Venus is slightly closer to Earth, it poses a daunting challenge for landing due to its thick, toxic clouds and searing surface temperatures. In fact, we haven't managed a soft landing there in decades. So, who takes the crown in this category? Clearly, it's Mars. Its more forgiving landing conditions and ongoing missions make it the front runner to interplanetary exploration. So, after all this cosmic comparison, it's time to announce the winner. And the winner is Mars. The dusty, chilly, red rock might not seem ideal, but it is our best shot. Who knows what the next 100 years will bring? Maybe we'll be living in floating cities above Venus, sipping water we have crafted ourselves, and munching on lettuce grown from nothing but air. Thanks for joining me on this incredible interplanetary adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immersive English for more captivating lessons where English and the wonders of the universe collide.